Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start inside Settings, tap Accessibility, then touch to reach back tap quickly. Once there, select Double Tap or Triple Tap, pick the one you'll remember. Next, scroll the Actions list and tap Flashlight to assign it. This links the physical tap to the light. Make sure your phone case isn't too thick, because excess padding can block the tap sensor. When done, exit Settings and test the assigned tap to confirm the connection works immediately. Now you configure how the tap behaves. In Back Tap, Confirm Flashlight is selected for your chosen tap gesture. You don't need a shortcut. The built-in flashlight action is faster and more reliable. Once assigned, hold the phone naturally and practice the motion, firm, quick taps on the lower back area work best. If it doesn't trigger, try adjusting for a stronger tap or switch from double to triple. Make sure the gesture isn't being intercepted by other accessibility shortcuts. To finish, test the tap a few times in different grips to ensure consistent activation. You want it reliable at night. If it's inconsistent, remove or swap the case and try again, or change between double and triple tap to suit your motion. If problems persist, toggle Back Tap off and on, then restart the iPhone. This often clears minor software hiccups. If none of that helps, update iOS or contact Apple support, because deeper sensor issues may need professional help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.